question number 5. POQ is a line. POQ, this is a line. Ray OR. OR is the ray which is perpendicular to line PQ. This is perpendicular. This is 90 degree and this should be 90 degree here. Definitely. Because it is perpendicular. This is 90 and this should be 90. Clear? Two lines we have done. Now OS is another ray. This OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. In between OP and OR, there is another ray, this is OS. Okay, what you have to prove? ROS, see ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. This you have to prove. Okay, just you see. Let's say ROS is x degree. Angle ROS is equal to x degree. Then see here and tell me what will be angle QOS from here to here. This is already 90 degree. Is it clear? And here x degree more. So I can write 90 degree plus x. Isn't it? Now come on. So I can write angle QOS is equal to 90 degree plus x degree. Okay. Now think it, what will be POS? Angle POS you have to think. See here. Total this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. POR. If I subtract ROS, then you will get here 90 degree minus x. So I can write angle 90 degree minus ROS. From full 90 degree, if you subtract it, you will get POS. So 90 degree minus x degree. Now take RHS. What is your RHS? See, half angle QOS minus angle POS. Getting? Now see, half, what is QOS? 90 degree plus x degree. Put in bracket. And here 90 degree minus x degree. Isn't it? Because PO is what? POS is 90 degree minus x degree. Now see, half 90 degree plus x degree minus 90 degree, and see this minus and minus will become plus x degree. This 90 degree to 90 degree cut. This is 1 upon 2 and here x degree and x degree. This will be 2x degree. 2x degree. X degree to x degree cut. Okay, what do you mean by x? X is your angle ROS. And RO is what actually? LHS. This is your LHS. So I can say LHS is equal to RHS. The next question is, it is given that XYZ is 64 and XY is produced to point P. It is given to you. XYZ is 64, you have to draw this one angle XYZ, and then XY is produced to point P. I extend this XY up to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. Okay, according to information I draw it. Then if ray YQ bisects ZYP, I have to draw one ray. This ray, this is YQ. It is bisect ZYP. ZYP means this is X and this is X, bisect. Okay. You have to find XYQ. This is X, Y and Q you have to find, and reflex of QYP. Okay. One thing you see with the figure, see here. This is just like this and this. Total 180 degree. Linear pair axiom. I can write XYZ. Angle XYZ plus angle ZYP. angle ZYP, this is 180 degree. Okay, then here XYZ is 64 and ZYP, here is X and X, this is X degree plus X degree, ZYP, this is 180 degree, and reason is what earlier, this is linear pair. Linear pair. Clear? Now see here. This is 64 degree. I am sending that side. X plus X is 2x degree. This is 180 minus 64. Okay. If 180 minus 64 will be what? See here. This is 116 and divide by 2. Then here 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. X will be your 58 degree. X is 58 degree. It means value of x, y, q. Value of x, y, q. X, y, q. You have to find out. This is 64 degree plus x. Okay, 64 degree, 64 degree. X is your 58 degree. Now see, 8 plus 4 is 12. 2, carry 1. 6 plus 5, 11 and 1, 12. This is 122 degree. This is your first answer. Now come on. QYP. You have to find reflex of QYP. Reflex of QYP. QYP, this will be 360 degree minus angle QYP. Isn't it? 360 degree minus angle QYP. What is angle QYP? See, QYP, that is X. And what is X value? 58 degree. This is 360 degree minus 58 degree. This will be 302 degree. Okay, this is your answer number 2. These are the answers. Lines PQ and RS intersect each other. PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. And you have given angle POR ratio ROQ is equal to 5:7. And you have to find all angles. Okay. Now see what is given. Angle POR ratio ROQ is equal to 5:7. What is the meaning? Just you see. POR, this will be 5x, and ROQ, this will be 7x. Okay, POR, this is POR, this is 5x, and ROQ, this will be 7x. Then what will be C? This is POR and ROQ, this will be a linear pair like this. Okay, then what can I write? Angle POR plus angle ROQ, this will be 180 degree due to linear pair axiom. Okay, what is POR? POR is 5x. What is ROQ? ROQ is 7x, is 180 degree. This is what? 7 plus 5, 12. 12x is 180 degree. Okay, then x will be 180 degree upon 12. Okay, then what to do? By 6 you cut, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are. Okay, then x will be 15 degree. 30 upon 2 is 15. Then find value of this. What is angle POR? POR is your 5x. Then 5 into 15, 15 5s are 75. And here ROQ is 7x. 7x is there. Then 15 into 7, this is 105. Now see, POR is equal to QoS. This is QoS, both are the same because vertically opposite angles are equal. And here ROQ, this will be POS. Okay, this is 5x and here is 7x. So this will be your POS. This is your answer. Ray OS stands on a line POQ. This is the line POQ. Ray OR and OT are angle bisectors of POS. This is ray OR. this is ray O, and here this is R, and this is OS. Like this and this both are equal because angle bisector, and this is OT. Okay, these two are equal due to angle bisector. Now see, POS is given to you X, then you have to find ROT. Just you see, angle POS plus angle SOQ, this will be 180 degree due to linear pair. This full angle, just you see, this full angle, this is 180 degree. That is why I have written here angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree due to linear pair. And what is here POS? POS X, SOQ is equal to 180 degree. What will be SOQ? This is 180 degree minus X. But what you have to find out? You have to find angle ROT. ROT. So for that you have to find ROS and this TOS. Now see what is ROS. ROS. ROS is the bisector of angle POS, isn't it? It is given in the question, and half of PO is what? X degree. So ROS will be X degree upon 2. First thing. Then you have to find your SOT. SOT, angle SOT. This will be half of, this is SOQ, half of SOQ because it is the bisector of it. Okay, half of, what is SOQ by star? You can see this is 180 degree minus X. Okay, 180 degree. Then this you can write here by star. You can write 180 degree upon 2 and X degree upon 2. This is 90 minus X by 2. This is equation number 2. Now come on our question part. You have to find ROT. ROT you have to find. ROT. What is angle ROS plus angle SOT? Now see, what is ROS? ROS is clearly X degree upon 2 plus what is SOT? SOT is 90 degree minus X upon 2. X upon 2 to X upon 2 cut, it will come 90 degree. Then ROT will become 90 degree, and this is your answer.